Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I flavor my homemade yogurt, so stay tuned. I just wanted to make this video because I get a lot of questions from new users, people who are just starting to make yogurt and they don't know when in the process to flavor the yogurt. So I just thought I'd come on here because that's the step that I'm at right now. I need to flavor my yogurt. I just made some and strained it and did the whole thing. So I'm not talking about the process of how to make the yogurt. I have videos, I'll link them up here for you guys to watch if you haven't seen those yet. Okay, so here is the yogurt that I have just made. It is totally unflavored. It has been strained. It's pretty darn thick. I used more than a half gallon to make this. I use this pure vanilla extract from Costco. I like to buy the full on extract, not the imitation flavor, and then I just refill my little bottle. So this is what I'm going to use. I also use this agave, and it doesn't matter exactly which type of agave you use. I found this, believe it or not, this was marked down at my grocery store for a couple of dollars, and it is 100% pure agave. I just put it in this jar. This is just easier to pour out of because it's so much smaller. This is all that I'm using to flavor. But first, remember that you need to take some out. I just store mine in the little plastic container. I think in the last video I told you that I only use glass due to bacteria and all that, but I haven't had any issues. So I just continue to do it this way. Let me just show you how thick it is. And everybody likes it different. This is just how we prefer ours. It doesn't matter how thick it is or how thin it is. It's just to your liking. I just take, about that much, drop it in there. And this is what I'm saving for my next batch. That's actually probably more than I need. I'm just gonna save that much for my next batch. I know it's hard to tell, but it's probably 2 tablespoons. This, oh my gosh, I just broke my container. Did you see that? Yeah. Okay, so this is what goes in the refrigerator. This is for my next batch. So I put that to the side because you want to flavor your yogurt after you've taken this out. I have 1 teaspoon. And that is just about how much of the vanilla extract that I use. So that's 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to do approximately 3 teaspoons of agave, and then I will taste it and see if it's where I want it. So now I'm just going to taste this. I like it, but I know that others in the house might think that it's not sweet. So I'm just going to add a little bit more agave. So that's about 4 teaspoons of agave and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And you just stir it up. And that's all I do to flavor my yogurt. I hope you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And leave me a comment down below. Do I have yogurt on my lips? Leave me a comment down below on how you guys flavor your yogurt or what combinations you've come up with. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.